Welcome to Jogg AI tutorial channel. We will learn how to make simple yet stunning video.
In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make talking AI avatar. So click the link down below and then you want to go to avatar and then click on create avatar and choose photo to avatar. You can select any image that you have on your computer. I will use this one as an example. Click on open. Now describe the motion you want her to have. Could be calm, relaxed, smile, serious, excited, playful, confidence, compassionate. In this video, I'm gonna try compassionate and then I wanna click on generate avatar. So we'll just wait for a few minutes. Alright, our avatar is done generating. Gonna click on it.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with Jogg AI. Just type your script to get started.
Now you can type anything in here or you can use AI writer. This is ChatGPT built into the tools. So I'm gonna show you a very simple example here. Alright, we're gonna use this script. And I'm gonna click on apply. Again, you can edit any of these tags. You can even add a pause right here. If you want to add a pause, you can. Also, you can change the voiceover by clicking on here, and then you can select like female, what language, accent.
I'm going to read you a story in a soothing, warm, and friendly.
She tore her gaze away from her. Every puzzle solved is like a Hey, everybody. Sometimes words ruin everything. Welcome to Ivana's pod.
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast or social media?
I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna click on generate and just render it. Wait for a few minutes and it will be done. I will show you the final result right here.
Walking is a simple yet powerful way to boost your overall health. Regular walking can help maintain a healthy weight, strengthen your heart, and improve circulation. It supports joint health, increases muscle endurance, and helps build stronger bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Walking is also known to lower blood pressure, manage cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and certain cancers. Beyond physical benefits, walking has a positive impact on mental well-being. It can reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression while enhancing mood and self-esteem. Walking outdoors provides the added benefit of exposure to nature, which can further elevate your mood and creativity. Even short daily walks contribute to better sleep, increased energy levels, and improved cognitive function. Overall, incorporating walking into your routine is an accessible and effective way to support both physical and mental health.
As you can see, guys, it's very amazing. I have other examples.
Black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape.
Again, if you want to try this out, click the link down below and you can follow along this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.